Have a keyboard or a key that's not working?
What the?
It could be upsetting thinking you have to throw away a whole keyboard just because one key isn't working. So before you throw it out and go buy a new keyboard, try these steps first. It might save you some money. This just happened to me recently, and I swear this fixed it. First, try cleaning the key with a Q-tip. Wipe it between the keys really well and underneath. You can also try this with a toothbrush, trying to loosen up or free up debris or anything that might be stuck in there. Or try a can of compressed air. They come in really handy for these kinds of situations. I'll put a link in my description down below where you can get these items. Next, simply remove the key using your own fingers or anything thin you can wedge between the keys so you can pop it off. Then spray it down with some compressed air. Over time, debris can get in between the keys or even inside, preventing the key from being depressed, which is why it's not working. But in my case, it still wasn't working even after doing this. So if all of that didn't fix it, then do this. Take your keyboard and simply turn it upside down. And start spanking it on its bottom. Bad keyboard, bad keyboard, bad keyboard. And lo and behold, your key should be fixed. Oh yeah. This happened to me twice, and both times, giving it a nice little spank on its bottom fixed it for me. Now I know a basic keyboard isn't that expensive, you could easily go out and buy a couple, but before you do, why not just give it a try? Instead of throwing an entire keyboard away over one key, try this method, and if it works, you'll have saved some money. So I hope this helps anyone out there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below, and until next time.